First things first, this needs to be sanded. There we go. Oops. Quick time lapse. Not too bad. Now we need to clean it. Looks like it's not going to rain anymore. We're going to paint. This is the same color that I used on all the other parts, but we're going to just quickly paint it. One little thing I forgot to do is this piece right here. It's a little bent. I just want to bend it back real quick before I paint it. So we're going to do a couple quick coats of paint on the footrest, and then we're going to reinstall it. I'm going to skip all the painting because it's kind of monotonous and boring. So while that paint's drying, I'm going to take the foot brake and sand it down, make it look a little bit nicer. It's kind of grungy. Not too bad. Almost looks like it didn't happen. Oh, there's our favorite shop cat. Frank, where are you going? It's like it's never even touched. Alright, it is officially day 2 on reinstalling this and painting it. So the paint came out alright. I messed it up a little bit, but for what I'm using it for, it will do. So we are going to reinstall this right now, get this bike back together, and back to riding it. It's been way too long. Enough talking, let's skip right to it. Take a look at how little room there actually is to secure this guy back on. I have to get around all of this wiring, and then there's 3 bolts that I need to put the nuts on with washers. I've actually had to unplug a bunch of stuff so I can move this around just enough to be able to access it, so this is going to be a little difficult. I don't know if you can see this better. Yeah, it's like all the way down there. You know, if I don't know. I'm just gonna get it done. Alright. I got the first nut all the way tightened and in place. I'm feeling really good about this. On to the second one. Wish me luck. Figured out how to put the second one back on in a good amount of time, so 2 down, 1 to go. Got them all on. That actually went a lot smoother than take them all off. So, got everything buttoned up. I just need to place the battery back in its location. And we're gonna bend this back real quick. There's too much stuff in this garage. Not perfect, but it is certainly an improvement. I can fit my foot on there enough to where I'll be fine. So we're gonna leave it at that. I'll make adjustments if needed. But I am so happy. I'm so happy. This is pretty much where it needs to be. Oh, got 2 more things real quick. Foot pegs. Uno. Where did I put the other one? So, we did it. Got it all back together. It is ready to go. I feel really good. Because of that, I sort of wanted to take a moment and, maybe someone out there could, use a little motivation. Because I know how easy it is to just give up when it gets hard and difficult, or you don't really know what you're doing and no one's really guiding you. If there's anyone out there who feels that way about anything, it doesn't have to be about working on a motorcycle, but I just wanted to share with you how good you actually feel when you just take the leap and follow through with something. It could be as simple as making your bed in the morning and turning that into a good habit. Just about a year ago, I started looking for a motorcycle. Everyone's just like, oh, you're gonna kill yourself, or parents didn't really agree with it, but an opportunity came along. It just goes to show you, people are always going to figure out a way how to put you down or hold you back, and I just wanted to stress how important it is just to ignore them and go with your gut, because you never know what you're going to end up with. The more I work on this bike, the more I appreciate the leap I had to take in order to do that. I'm really happy that I did. To those of you who want to do something and accomplish something, but may not have the motivation or guts to do it right now, just do it. That's what it comes down to. You won't regret it. So, see you guys next time.